Welcome to our quick guide on how to use a VPN on Amazon Fire TV Stick. First, let's check your device compatibility. Go to Settings, select My Fire TV, then click About and make sure your software version is 5.0 or higher. Visit the Amazon App Store, search for X-VPN, and click the Download button to install it. After installation, open X-VPN. Read the privacy policy and click Agree and Continue. If you are new to X-VPN, click Get Started on the login screen to subscribe and get a 7-day free trial. If you already have a premium account, press Sign In. There are 2 ways to log in. Log in by syncing your status from your phone or manually entering your account information. The quicker way is to sync your login status from your phone. Open X-VPN on your phone, choose Use on Other Devices, and type the 6-digit code shown on your Amazon Fire TV. Once logged in, click the Connect button. That's it! Now you are connected to X-VPN and ready to enjoy a smooth and secure streaming experience. X-VPN offers various features to optimize your streaming experience. You can switch between servers in 225 locations around the world to enjoy a wide range of global content. Also, you can access optimized lines for popular streaming services like Netflix, Disney, Hulu, and more. X-VPN also provides extra security features like kill switch, stable connection, and split tunneling. Additionally, you can use one account on up to 5 devices to enjoy the same stable connection on your phone and computers. If you need any help, our 24/7 online support is here for you anytime. Thanks for watching! With X-VPN on your Amazon Fire TV Stick, enjoy safe and smooth streaming anytime.